Whew. Sorry guys, it's 4 a.m. Today I'm going to be unboxing this for you, this rubber mallet hammer. So this cost me £5.58, which is very cheap actually. This is branded by Ox. So it's the name of it is Ox Black Rubber Mallet Trade Series Rubber Mallet Hammer with the wooden handle. So this is 24 ounces, which is I'm not sure, it has the weight on here somewhere there. Yeah, 24 ounces, 680 grams, I mean not kilograms, that's too big. So yeah, oh, got some lube under there, just wipe that off. Oh no, that's oh no, it's like a glue. It's very dry, it's dried up though, so guessing someone had an accident there, I don't know. Yeah, got the trade series in there, I'll take that off. Yeah, so it comes in a simple wrapper like this with a rubber band on, so all you do is pull it off, bam, and now you're unboxed. Simple as that, guys. So why did I buy this? What is the use of this? Okay, so what, as you can see here in my last videos, I don't know if you see my last videos or if the order's right, I've been buying car stuff to take off my alloy wheels and Labs alloy wheels, I mean. So one thing, if you not change the alloy wheel in a long time, like taking off in a long time, what tends to happen is the alloy wheel will fuse to the brake disc from the heat. So what will happen is the metals will like combine a bit, or the rust will combine to the back of the wheels, and it makes it impossible to take off unless you have something to smash it with to take it off. So I'll tell you actually a story as well. Who was my friend Bodrul, who you've seen his car on the channel before. It's a black Polo. His car tires died. We were taking off his alloy, we couldn't get it off because exactly what I had said what happened. So we had to call breakdown. Breakdown came, literally all he did, pull out one of these, bash the back of it, came off, and he even changed the alloy wheel for us, even though he didn't have to. But yeah, what a nice guy. So yeah, this is very handy. It's only a 5 as well, and I guess you can use it as a self-defense weapon as well if needed. But yeah, that's not the main use. The main use we're going to be using it for is basically when we take that off, hopefully the wheel comes off. If it doesn't, all you have to do with this is you go to the back of the alloy, not the alloy, the tire. You hit the back of the tire, not the alloy, okay? Make sure you don't hit the alloy, otherwise you might buckle it a bit. So you want to hit the back of the tire a bit, like don't smash it hard. It's a rubber, it's very hard though, like it will do some damage. You'll do quite a bit of damage. If you hit that very hard, that will actually hurt someone very badly. But yeah, it's not hammer, so it's not metal, so it won't do too much damage. So yeah, it won't do any actual proper badly damage. You can also use this to beat panels, I guess. If you're trying to fix a dent or something, you can bash it from the inside because it's not too badly. It's not like metal, like it's not sharp edges or anything. So yeah, the construction's not the best, but for the price it's pretty good. I'm happy with it. Yeah. So yeah, you'll be seeing me use this hopefully. Actually, not hopefully. Rather it's not stuck to the brake disc than it's another headache. But yeah, here's what it is. This is just a backup tool. If you don't need it, I'm not asked. I'm going to keep it anyway because it's a really good tool for handy, I guess. And like I said, you can use it as self-defense as well. If someone tries to break into your house in the middle of the night, pull this out your bedside, boom, bucklat, you know. And then yeah. So yeah, anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.